My name's Pete Clark, I'm plant engineer at Jaguar Cars, Castle Bromwich. We're here today to look at the CompAir Quantima compressor installation that we installed in mid-2010. The existing compressed air generation facility in the paint shop at Castle Bromwich was coming to the end of its useful economical life. A cross-functional project team led by myself and working alongside Jaguar's preferred compressed air generation equipment partner, CompAir, investigated and evaluated the options available. These were to repair or refurbish existing equipment, or to invest in the new best-in-class high-technology equipment. As a result, we decided to install 2 Quantima compressors and ancillary equipment. Two Quantima compressors being controlled by a smart air master controller and with a closed loop air blast water cooling module generates compressed air at 8 bar. This is then transported to a desiccant dryer, which in turn the now dry air passes through a series of CO2 scrubbers. These ensure that the air meets breathing air safety standards. This is crucial as a proportion of the air is used for personnel breathing masks within the paint shop booth processes. Since the Quantima compressors have been installed, we are on target to achieve annual savings in the region of 3 million kilowatt hours of electricity, 11,000 cubic metres of water, 1,300 tonnes of CO2. This is 12% of the Castle Bromwich site environmental target and has a payback on return of investment within 2 years.